Alright guys, today I have a friend of mine who is an engineer with me. So we are gonna work together and we have a Zebra, what's the model? ZM400. It's a thermal printer. And let's open it up and let's see the components inside. So we'll be together.
All right.
All right.
So this is how it looks like. This is the front part, as you can see, Zebra MZ400. This is the side. We open it, and you have the cartridge here and other stuff. But as you said, you're going to open it and see what is inside the machine itself.
Let's show the back side. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the back side.
You see it has the USB connection. This is the power side, and this goes to the monitor straight, and I think this is a parallel port. Okay.
So let's get started working.
And let's show the. Okay,
Yeah, show the front.
too? Yeah.
Yeah. So show this. This is the other side. There's nothing here.
All right.
Yeah, so
Now I think we can start getting into it.
yeah. Now let's get into it.
Let's collect the screws as well, and let's see, how many screws we are gonna collect as well. This will be a nice experiment.
I think you have to get a screw to press the lock.
Let's show it around and turn it around and show what
So
we got.
we have a board here with the cables connecting to it. So this is the main motherboard. So you're trying to move it and see what other stuff.
So
you
far
have
what we
inside.
got basically, remove the cables.
Yeah.
We haven't done anything else. So why don't we put like this so that we can,
See the
could be
inside.
easy, yep. So that our friends also can see what we are doing, right?
Yeah.
I got it, man.
You got it?
Yep.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get it. Hold on. Let me also use it for this one.
Okay. Come on, man. That's a strange size. I couldn't get one. Finally.
Finally.
Yeah.
So you get it?
And I had to blame someone.
Of course.
Can I blame you,
No,
Paul?
please.
It's your fault, man. Okay.
I'm gonna move these screws, more screws.
For the time being, okay.
Yeah.
These are the gears. Okay. This is the motor. Okay.
take it out. There's a lock at the back.
And it's not coming out. It's your fault again.
No, it's my fault.
Yeah.
That's why I'm gonna do it
Everything that goes wrong, you know.
with a magic hand.
Yeah, we blame you.
Yep.
And maybe at the end we can take a poll from our friends watching us. Whose fault? It was. Nice. Something
Get
was
the
hold
plug.
on.
Yeah, get the plug. You can wash. Use that part.
No, we don't have to. We got it.
Okay. That's just an insulator.
No, we can. See, this is the main board, basically, for the printer.
This is more of the power supply.
Yeah, the main board for the power
This is the
supply.
main board. Okay. This is it.
Yeah, maybe we have to show this just, this is the main board, I would say, for the printer. See, it's a nice board. It has a lot of gold-plated parts in it.
No, you need an Allen key. Hold on, let me just come and fix this one.
Push now. See, you didn't tell me that this is the right size, okay? It's your fault.
It's someone's fault, but not mine.
Today is your lucky day, man. Anything that goes wrong, we'll blame you.
I have to open this one. Don't open this one. This is the bigger one.
I try every one of them.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
You knew it, but you didn't get it before. I know, it's your fault.
Because sometimes you have to struggle a little bit.
Yeah, we learned the hard way.
Yeah.
Okay, so this.
So now let's turn it the other
Yeah.
way.
See, we are done over here. There's nothing we can take out. So. Let's do it this way so that you will see what we are doing.
One more down. One more down. This one down here. Yep. Then it comes out. Yep.
Anything that we can take out? Not really. Show it over here.
Yeah. So this is it.
Okay, I think it's one
For
piece.
Manchester.
Yeah, that's it. That's basically the door. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Huh. Okay. Let's open it. You see? Over
We
here.
need a screw.
Let's
a
see the
flat-
inside. See? Then we can open inside. See? Come on. I see there's over here.
Sorry.
Huh, okay. So what else? Haha. Okay. We open it. This was a kind of roller, right?
Yeah, it had the ruler, it had the foam on it, the black foam around it, like the toner
Okay.
for the printing. And this is the base, I mean the bottom line of the printer.
Nice. You almost tear down it. As you can see, most of the time we open an item that we never opened before, so we are not an expert on this type of item, so we are trying to figure out on the spot.
Yeah.
So the way that we open may not be the proper way to open it if you wanna do a repair on it, but we are not gonna do any repair on it, so
This is just
don't follow us if you wanna do a repair on it, if you wanna do refurbish on it. Our intention is just to see the components inside. So
just to tear the machine apart to see what is actually inside it.
exactly.
I mean, inside out.
So this may not be the proper way. This may not be the manufacturer's suggested way to open it.
Yes, please.
So most of the times we open, the parts may not be reusable. I mean, we do our best to open it carefully, not to break, not to cut, but well, you know, at the end, we just do our own way, not necessarily the way that, you know, you wanna do a repair on this. It's not coming out, man.
No, there's a lock. I think there's a lock here that you have to take it out first.
Yeah, that's it. Now we have to find that tiny thing. So tiny, I'm just trying to see the type of the screw inside.
It's an Allen key.
It's an Allen key,
Yeah.
So that's a so tiny Allen key. So small, man. We have it. Let me try. Okay, let me see. Guess what, my friend? I got it, man. Woo-hoo.
Yeah.
See how tiny it is? Okay, so, oh, I have another one. Ha ha. Woo.
Now you got it.
Yeah, I got it. Wait. It hurts.
Oh.
See, we get it, man, but we are not done yet. That's done. I have the other side. And then that's the board for LCD.
No, this is the board for the control.
Oh,
For the control panel.
And also the screen, right?
So yeah, so this is the board.
Okay. Okay.
Comes out. Yeah.
We got brass. This is a spring. Should I go any further and take this? No, I think this is one piece.
Yeah, this is one piece.
Correct? Just
You just have an open. You can
okay.
open
Here
it.
you are. That's it. I got it. But there is. I can't open this. No, this is one piece. Yep. And this. Same thing over here. I can take this out. Come on. Ha! Came out. There's also one piece. And then we want to see how many screws or that kind of stuff has been used in this. I used to throw them out, oops. But now I decided to keep them. So that we are going to have a total tally at the end. Okay, come on. One stainless steel rod and plastic piece. This is a nice, complete teardown. My friend, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Without your help, it would have been much longer time. Appreciate your coming, and I'm sure our friends watching us, they'll love this too. They'll love you too, man. I like it.
You're almost done with this.
Let's see. What is holding this?
No, this one has.
Okay, this.
No, it's good. No, if you tear it, it's a center here and goes in here.
Let's take this out. Okay, so this. Okay. Nothing more here. And still this. Okay. Okay. Ah, it's coming out. See?
Yeah. There's a lock there, so bring it back. Yep.
Just apply a little bit force. You will get it.
Make sure you got the right screw.
I thought I got the right one, but apparently now it's not coming out.
Yeah. Okay.
It's your fault, man.
Of course, it's someone's fault. Check and see. How these ones.
No, it's not.
Alright, so you are still on the tearing, you're almost done
Okay.
with it.
And I saw one piece over here that we can do further.
So,
See?
have a brownie.
Or just
Let's put this one there for me.
our objective is complete
Tear down.
tear down as much as we could.
This. Jessica type. Oh, there's a screw inside.
Yeah, that's.
It's a star.
No, that's not star. Is it? Is it?
Yes, a star.
Some star.
It's a star.
Why you didn't tell me before? You know that anything that
I think it's done.
goes wrong, we blame.
Yeah.
Oh, I see one part over here that we could do a little bit more, I think. But I don't know how. I don't think so. No, we're good. Ah, here you are. Yeah. I knew it. I knew it. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, this is magnet.
Yeah, that's the door. The magnet for the door.
Okay. See?
Maybe this way. Basically, we are done now. Unless we hammer it out, there's no.
No. See, there's a small plastic on it, but we have to break it or hammer it. There's no point, but it's a small piece. We can leave it there. So I think we're done. Let's see.
Yeah. Then you have all the screws,
Okay.
the nuts that were inside the machine.
You see, these many screws we got out from the machine. All right, pretty much. Let's see, and that's for a kind of organization over here, so that we can show a nice inside in a kind of organized way. Maybe we put the balls together. What do you think?
Just do that.
Maybe something like that, like those. Right?
Yeah.
Same kind. So that we'll get an idea what kind or type of what stuff we get, and what we are gonna do, we'll just turn the camera to show it to our friends watching us. Cables, something like that.
Yep. I think it's good now. So let's put it here.
This is what I'm thinking. You know, just put kind of
Let that
same kind of items together, so that we'll get a kind of clear idea what we get.
So now let's in the camera.
Yeah, I think that's nice. Okay, yeah. Just turn the camera over here. Let's focus it. Can we zoom in as well? So we got pretty much 3 boards, one for the LCD and the control panel. The other one is for the power supply, and this is basically the main controller board, I would say. And of course, kind of cast aluminum base, lots of plastic, a lot of stainless steel rods, and gears, cables. Now, someone may ask, okay, what are we gonna do? Okay, we are done with the teardown, so what are we gonna do with this? Let's give a little bit, of the information. You see this board? This has a lot of gold plated stuff in it. You see those yellow thingies? Those are gold plated, as well as there is gold inside these chips and other precious metals like platinum, palladium, and so on. So people
They
buy this,
Yeah.
okay, for gold and other precious
Gold mining.
mining, okay. So we basically collect them, all right,
Yeah.
and sell them later on by the pound.
It's more like a recycling.
Exactly. So yes,
like a
this is
recycling.
basically a recycling and reusing. Correct. You see also, you see that? These are gold plated, not gold but gold plated.
I mean, gold base. It's have a gold base inside.
You see that? So over here, basically, we don't waste anything. You see, this is like as an example. This is a brass, okay?
Yeah, that's
and brass is now in America is around $2 per pound. If it is a clean brass, okay, it's around $2 per pound.
Yeah.
So
So
it's not bad.
let's just pile them up and they,
Exactly.
I mean,
like these cables,
Also
for
by
example,
recycling.
these cables, it has copper in it, but sometimes aluminum, but mostly copper, and it sells around $1.50 per pound. So we waste nothing. We pile them up, and we recycle them. Okay. And the others too, like this sheet, these are called sheet metal. Okay. That's around $100, $150 per ton, and so on. So this is a kind of cast aluminum and some stainless steel attached to it. So everything is reused. Okay. So we hope that you enjoy, and see you next time.
voila.